Access driving controls using the touchscreen and steering wheel. Activate turn signals by pressing the indicator stalk up or down. Your turn signal will turn off automatically once your Tesla detects that you've completed a maneuver like a turn or a lane change. Manually disengage the turn signal by pressing the indicator stalk up or down. Press this button to flash your high beams and reveal the headlamp settings on the touchscreen. Press and hold to fully engage or disengage your automatic high beams. If you prefer to dim your high beams manually, tap here to disable Auto High Beam. Honk your horn by pressing the center of your steering wheel. Press here to wipe the windshield once and bring up wiper settings on the touchscreen. Use the left scroll wheel to select between wiper speeds or set them to auto. Press and hold the wiper button to wash the windshield. To shift, press the brake pedal to reveal the drive mode strip on the touchscreen. Swipe up for drive, down for reverse, and tap P for park. If you'd like to shift out of park automatically, select Controls, Dynamics, and enable Auto Shift Out of Park. With this setting enabled, pressing the brake pedal will automatically shift Model Y into drive or reverse depending on your surroundings. Confirm your intended direction on the touchscreen and press the accelerator to go. Or swipe up or down on the touchscreen to select a different direction. If you need to shift manually, press the P, R, N, or D located on the overhead console. If these buttons are ever unavailable, press the brake pedal and touch one to illuminate them. Turn on hazard warning flashers by pressing this button. If a severe crash is detected, hazard warning flashers turn on automatically and flash quickly to increase visibility. Pressing once returns the lights to their normal cadence, and pressing a second time turns them off.